Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Shopee pop-up ads. So for example, if I just open my Shopee app here, you can see this is a start. Basically this is a pop-up ad, and again sometimes when we open the app you will see a pop-up ad in between, right? So this, if you want to turn this off, you can always go to the in the bottom right side corner. Basically most of the notification you can't turn it off. Here you will find a notification setting bar. Here you will find push notification. Basically push notification, it means it will show in your screen. You can just turn this off, right? If you want to turn push notification for any particular order or for any particular step, you can always turn it off. Then it's come in app banner notification. This is what you guys are talking about. It will show in your screen, which we call that pop-up ads. You can always turn this off and never it will come in front of your screen. This is email notification, the notification which you get in your email address. If you want, you can always turn this off. So this is very important, guys. Make sure you just turn this off in app banner notification. If you do that, you will never ever get pop-up ads in your phone, mobile application or website. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.